Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Oaks. In this very important video, we are going to show you how you can get this $40,000 worth of personal loan and how you can get pre-approved for it with no impact to your credit at all. This video has step-by-step guide about this $40,000 personal loan that you can get. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you can watch that video when we upload it, and please smash that like button as it really helps the channel and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Congratulations, here is the biggest opportunity that you all have been waiting for, and this time is from Marcus by Goldman Sachs Bank. Yes, this is indeed one of the biggest opportunity of current time, especially in this worst time of inflation where the people really need money. And remember that personal loan is not free money, you have to pay it back, but at least if you're in a situation that you need a personal loan right now, this is your biggest opportunity. Marcus said that we are offering no fee personal loan. This is indeed one of the biggest opportunity right here, as they say you are invited to apply for a personal loan with no fee, fixed rates, convenience and flexibility, as you can see right here, and you can take a look below to see if you are eligible. We are going to go towards the application, how you're going to fill it, how you can get eligible for, but first we need to review this personal loan, that what are the perks and cons of this. Remember that this is indeed one of the biggest opportunity of right now. Loans up to $40,000, congratulations, you can get, and this is indeed a big amount. Enrolled in 0.25% auto pay means when you enrolled in auto pay you can save 0.25% on APR. There is $0 fee, there is no fee associated with it. As they say, there is no fee. Our personal loans have no sign-up fee at all. Fixed APR, of course they have an APR and it ranges from 6.99 to 24.74 or 24.99%. There's one-time payment reward as well. Remember that pay your loan on time and in full every month for 12 consecutive months, and you can skip a month. Interest will not occur during the time and will just extend your loan for 1 month. This is indeed a very big opportunity. So how you can get this personal loan? First, you can tell them about yourself and they'll customize a loan for you. Then you can choose your personal loan and then you can complete your application. Remember that this has also got the award from NerdWallet of best personal loans from a bank in 2021. There's hundreds of reviews about this, and here's the comparison. Lending Club, Prosper and Discover. They have all the possibilities. Direct payments to credit card, no sign-up fee, no late fee, one-time payment reward. What else we need right here? So let's go and see how the application look like, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's click. So when you click on it, this page will open and they'll ask you for a reason. And the great thing about this, that it could be debt consolidation, major purchase, special occasion, vacation, moving or relocation, home improvements, or other means if you don't want to tell them. I always click on other. Let's see, $40,000. We need the full money. Monthly payment, well, it should be around, for example, let's say $2,000. Right, and then they'll ask you for your first name, your middle, your last name, your date of birth, your email address, total income, and of course your source of income, your address, your city. Make sure you put everything that matches your credit profile. And when you do that, you need to click on find my loans. Remember, I love this, seeing your loan options will not affect your credit score. There will be no credit score change, means there will be no credit check at all. So congratulations, there's going to be a soft pull, means it will not affect your credit score at all, and soft pull is equals to no impact on credit score. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. We are going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can click on it and see what are your possibilities. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.